back, guys. Today I'm going to unbox my Lego set which I just brought from Amazon. So just let me just cut it. So welcome. Bye. So today I unboxed it finally and I'm just going to take it out. Ouch, it's so hard. I think it's taped inside, I think. Let me. Okay, it's not taped. Like, I can literally pull it out. Oh, it's huge. It's so huge, guys. Look at this ginormous beast. Like, it looks so cool, right? With the Lego logo on top. Can you hear it? You might not be able to hear, but there's so much inside, I think. So that was all for today. In the next video, I will remove this layer which is blocking it from opening. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.